Hi, I'm Nick Iannito, president of the Columbus AMA. And no matter where you go, no matter where you look, healthcare reform is on everyone's mind. The president just talked about it, politicians can't help but talk about it, your neighbors are talking about it, your friends are talking about it, some people even claim their dogs are talking about it. Now those people may have been drinking a little too much, and perhaps it's best if those people wake up in the morning with a beer bottle in their hand. It's time to say no. A little bit of love here. Let's get back on the topic. Talking about healthcare. When you are talking about healthcare, like it or not, you are branding yourself. And when you're branding yourself, you are talking about marketing. And who better to know about marketing, branding, and healthcare reform than a pharmaceutical giant like Cardinal Health? Now, what do they say about it? Well, I'm just the president of the AMA. I have absolutely no idea. However, I have with me today George Taylor, Vice President of Customer Excellence at Cardinal Health. Now, when it comes to healthcare reform, clearly this has to be on top of your mind, how it affects customer retention, especially, and customer loyalty programs you're working on. What's happening? What's going on?
Yeah, I think it's a great question, Nick. The reality is for our industry that we haven't thought a lot about brand as an industry. And really they're associated with healthcare reform. There is so much uncertainty right now in terms of what this is really going to be. I think everyone's sort of just working through the mechanics of what are we really going to have here at the end of the day? What are we really going to end up with? And it's creating a lot of uncertainty. So I think from a brand and loyalty perspective, we see it as a time that we want to try to tighten the relationships with our customers like never before, given the context of all the uncertainty and not really knowing what's going on in the future.
Well, and there you have it. Another marketing nugget brought to you by the Columbus AMA. Now, I wish you were here because that's just the tip of the iceberg on the things that George was talking about. However, let's not focus on yesterday. Let's look to tomorrow. Next month, in October, we're going to have the Vice President of Marketing at Lane Bryant. His name is Jay Dunn. And he'll be talking about social media and how it's totally transforming how he markets his brand. Really exciting stuff. Hope to see you then. Till then, hope to see you soon.